How to adjust video quality in Amazon Prime Video. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your Prime Video application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you land on your home page, navigate to the profile icon from the top right corner. Now from your profile page again, tap on the settings icon. Now under the settings page at the top, there you will find an option as stream and download. So tap on that. Here tap on streaming quality. Now once you get to this, by default your better option would be chosen. Now if you want the best quality, then tap on best. Once you select that best, now the best setting quality has been applied in your account, and by default the highest quality on Wi-Fi is used. And that's all. That's how you can adjust video quality in Prime Video. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you in next video.